Welcome, everybody, and thanks a lot for joining us today. My name's Dr. David Tomajian. I'm the Director of Marketing at InfoSim, and I just want to give you a really brief sort of overview of what we're doing today and where we're going to sort of be going on this journey. And really what we're going to be looking at is the synergy between InfoSim's StableNet network and service management solution, Atlassian's Jira service management, and EEA's Geodata application, what we call, this sort of triad of solutions and how they sort of synergize together. So we'll be looking specifically at incident management and sort of looking at this streamlined, efficient, cost-effective solution. Enterprises, service providers, telcos, really looking at the kinds of solutions that actually do matter. It is, again, intended to be flexible, open, and robust, combining InfoSim's capabilities with Atlassian's Jira, so that clients are able to optimize and improve workflows, handle incidents more proactively, and optimize overall operations. And the integrations intended to really benefit companies that require the power of a high-performance service management system, allowing them to visualize incidents, automate network monitoring, and more seamlessly manage their field service teams. So that's sort of where we're going. That's the outline. We have three expert speakers with us today. First off is Christoph Baumhöhe, who's a partner manager from Atlassian on Jira Service Management and its customer value. Next is Mirko Viskacil, regional sales manager from InfoSim, who's going to dive deep in sort of the features of StableNet and its longstanding partnership with innovative vendors like Atlassian. And then we'll have Ivan Lobotka, has over 12 years of experience in Atlassian, from business analyst to consultant, and is currently the sales and product manager for Atlassian ecosystem. And they've been a partner of ours, of InfoSim's, for over 10 years now. And I think with that, Christoph, I can hand it over to you.
Thanks, David. Yes,
Sure.
So great to be here and very excited about that solution that was built by EEA. My name is Christoph Baumhöhe. I'm located in Munich. I work for Atlassian as a partner manager, as David said. For those participants who do not know Atlassian, Atlassian is the company who created the better-known products Jira and Confluence over 20 years ago. We are headquartered in Sydney. We have about 14,000 employees now and more than 300,000 paying customers all around the globe. And since several years, we have a solution in place and a product which is named Jira Service Management, which gives you the possibility to make your IT service management happen in your company. And Jira Service Management, we have very small customers from really startups to really large, to the largest enterprises in the world. And what it gives you is really an easy to implement, cost attractive product. You can have it in the cloud, which is our preferred platform, but you also can have it as a data center on-premise solution. So what we cover in our Jira Service Management tool, and even if you can bring it to the next slide, you see all the ITSM typical practices that you currently deal with in a company. So Jira Service Management started from being a tool for ITSM, for the IT people. Today, Atlassian is talking about the system of work. So we're taking the principles from the IT department, delivering first-class services to other departments in your company. So like HR, legal, finance, whatever you name it. And a last word about the product Jira Service Management is very open, very open and very transparent APIs. And that was the case that made it possible for Ivan and his folks to make the solution that we present today. So Mirko, take it from there.
Thank you, Christoph, for the introduction. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you again. Thank you, David, for the introduction as well. My name is Mirko Viskocil. I'm a regional sales representative of Infosim company. And I'm going to introduce you shortly our StableNet solution. StableNet is an automated network and service management designed and developed by Infosim. Infosim has been on the market more than 20 years, established originally as a spin-off of University Würzburg, strongly focus on development of network service management, IT management, and other solutions. With StableNet, we address different customers in many different areas. Solution has been used by telecom operators worldwide, by large enterprise and governmental organizations. We see a growing segment at enterprises and also at organizations providing and offering secure critical infrastructure and services. Infosim, as a global company with offices in Germany, Switzerland, US, and Singapore, has been working and promoting this solution directly and with our technology integration and reseller partners worldwide. StableNet itself is a unified but modular solution with the main modules like discovery and inventory, which allows us to automate a lot, and with additional and optional modules like network configuration and change management, with a possible and optional policy checking, vulnerability checking, able to manage the whole life cycle management. Then we have a fault management module with automated root cause and service impact analysis, able to use it as an umbrella fault management system or to be integrated with the existing umbrella system. And the last one is the set of performance management modules and interfaces where we support different technologies, IP, non-IP technologies, including IP telephony, end-to-end monitoring and measurements. The solution, as already stated, is a unified but modular with one usability concept, with one database inside, and with one user model. Solution is strongly multi-vendor, supporting different technologies with a strong integration and customization capabilities. As far as integration is concerned, many different protocols are supported, and very common are integrations with the existing BSS and OSS solutions, but also with CMDBs, existing portal solutions, and also with incident and ticketing systems. How do we integrate with Jira Service Management? Our colleague from EEA, Ivan, is going to introduce on the next slides and tell you more about it.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon from Slovakia. I'm from EEA, Atlassian Solution Partner since 2008. We have adopted Jira since 2005, which was originally born 2002. So we are partners for years. And also, not only being the solution partner, but we are also the marketplace vendor. And one of the products I would like to spoke as a part of this triangle solution is the Geodata. Just quickly to introduce. Geodata brings to the Jira, because the Jira and the Atlassian ecosystem is also the open one. It's extendable. Currently on the marketplace, there are more than 4,000 applications, and this is one of them. We are bringing the geospatial data to Jira Service Management. which totally extending the ticket management system to another level, because adding the geolocation data to the issues or the assets, part of the CMDB, as was already mentioned, is the something which you can include or interconnect with the StableNet, ensures that you are able to visualize the tickets on a map. And so it really supports the decision-making, the processes. And yeah, efficient task management and capacity planning for the incident or the problem solving are the key advantages which are bringing this visualization to existing the Jira service management. We have extended the tickets with the GPS coordinates, which totally determines the accuracy. So you have the exact location of each tickets. Doesn't matter if it is incident, service request, customer request, or just the asset you have somewhere in a country. Connecting the different map bases or the layers allows you to see the data in a different context. For example, using the Google Maps or the traffic network. So it depends, it can help you to focus on the data you would like to use. Increasing your efficiency based on the decision making is that something which is driven based on the data and the location information. What is also something which really helps is the collaboration, and it evolves, helps the team and their management will bring you the savings and also the increase the customer satisfaction. So those are the main benefits which our product is bringing and extending the Jira. What we are addressing? We are addressing the traditional pain points associated with the incident management. We have with the efficiency and what is one of the traditional pain points is that you have usually the multiple applications using into the chain. So we try to interconnect, let's say, the optimum ecosystem, which consists of the StableNet as a monitoring system. And then we add just the Jira service management extended with the Geodata. Which includes also the CMDB. So we are now, let's say, combining within the two tools, we are combining the monitoring, some alert processing, issue ticket management, CMDB, and also support for the mobile workforce, which is definitely cleaning the application landscape. And this is something which finally helps to save the OpEx. Yeah, as I already mentioned, and also the David, Triad or the triangle solution consists of 3 pillars. One is the monitoring one, and based on with the StableNet. Second one is the Jira service management, and third one is the Geodata, which is part of which still your people, your teams, your let's say either network or service operation center or the mobile workforce, they are still within the one or let's say 2 tools, not to extending to another one. So you can save definitely your OpEx, and which is the way we would like to help. Yeah. StableNet as a source of incidents appears to be a funny definition, because nobody wants to be the source of incidents, but yeah, but detecting and analyzing the alarms and make some correlation and defining it as issues is the one of the critical part of the business process, and we. Within the Atlassian environment are totally relying on that. Once the possible evaluation has been achieved on a StableNet, the information is transferred to another part of the chain, which is Jira Service Management. Yeah, once the incident was created or is created, the the alert from monitoring is transferred to the incident ticket, which this is something which is handed over by the Jira Service Management as a standard and robust trouble ticket system, and also, which is not the standard way, it is extended with the CMDB, the configuration database, which also helps within the process. And this coexistency of ticket management plus CMDB really brings another value. CMDB part as assets is named assets, and we let's say use the synonym the connector, because among the services, among the devices, also the customers, you can have it on map. There are the relations. So the data from the CMDB and connected services or devices are utilized to identify not only the issue with the specific device, but also, let's say, impacted or affected devices, services, or finally the users or the customers. And this is something which totally helps, which helps with the solving of the process of the incident. Why? Because based on this information metrics coming from the CMDB, the impact and priority is computed, and also the incident relevance is updated. As it is shown on the screen, the relations between the services and the devices are critical for the prioritization of incident clearing. And now the last part, or the additional part, which is extending the service management to another level, is something which helps you to visualize the incidents, but not only the incidents, also the customer requests or just the objects. Geolocation data is required for visualizing the objects or incidents on the map, and this visualization facilitates an effective management of special task resolution. This is one of the principal function of this component of Geodata is bringing to the Jira. The product, like the CMDB, expands the service management fundamental capability, but also with the Geodata, we are able to present on the map also the assets, not only the tickets, but also the CMDB objects, which helps you to make the decisions, including the incidents or planned maintenance, customer requests, or site development or updates into one single assignment for a mobile team is totally in a new era. We can assist you. And you are still within the one product. So this is a part we are entering, or we can help you not only from the service or the network operations center, but this solution is also helping you to your mobile workforce, identifying the tasks and the things which are placed on a map to make well-informed some strategic decisions. Based on this data, you can improve your efficiency and organize activities based on urgency and close proximity, which totally you are not able to decide by just watching on a list of the tickets. Design, you can design the successful routes and save time and resources for your mobile team, which definitely results in more productive teams. Based on the visualization and prioritization, you may plan the best routes for your mobile workforce with the linking of the issues. So once you have in a proximity incidents with the service maintenance tickets, with the customer requests, you can create one let's say master ticket, whatever, for defined mobile team, which will, based on the priority, deal with the incident, then make some planned maintenance, and also. So you are definitely sparing the the logistics costs, and you are achieving some another benefits. So response time is definitely the better because from the service or network operation center and defining, you can approach the local team to clear with the incident based on the location. So nevertheless, you are in a Würzburg with your network monitoring center. You will finally want to send either internal or external team from Nuremberg to clear the tickets within the Nuremberg, or doesn't matter if it is the customer request or the network issue. And also combining the proactive maintenance help you to save the costs, which is one thing, the saving the costs. And finally, you are improving the operational excellence based on this capacity and visual planning of the resources and the tickets and the activities around. So this is let's say the solution in a nutshell. There is some special offer for you. We can make the dedicated presentation for you, for your teams, 1 or 2. We have the customers, the similar, which are using it from the network, from the telco, also from the sales part. So that could be also the thinking about more from proactive, from the customer perspective. So the customer satisfaction or customer care teams can be also involved. And also we are offer you to our workshop to collect your requirements and help you with some internal business case. And finally, after the end of the workshop, we will send you the presentation and also the recording for the downloads. So if you have any questions or want to discuss it deeply, please contact me.